guys, so this is a short trip tour to Dubai with my sister and my mom. I said I was going to document the process. It's been a very long day and I couldn't do as much videos as I would have wanted to, but I just had to capture this before we left Nigeria. So we're in Lagos right now. I will show you my mom and my sister, right? So hopefully it gets more convenient as we get back, right? So mommy, say hello. Hello. Hi, it's my mom and my sister. It's been one very hectic long day. So I will document the process and I will show you more videos. See you guys. Hi guys, so it's 2:23 a.m. and we are in Dubai. Long ass trip. Oh, sorry, long trip. Our bag is clean. We had to get our bags and we're waiting before we go to the hotel where we're gonna stay. So I'm doing a video. Yeah. See the picture, So guys, this is our room. This is the bathroom. So guys, I have to explain what happened here. So because we arrived really early in Dubai, we had to sleep and just catch our breath. And then apparently we slept too much and we had a boat ride to catch. So we woke up late and then we found a bus outside and then we headed for, I can't really remember where this place is called exactly, but this is where the boat ride is supposed to take place. So this is us walking around looking for the exact place, and apparently nobody really understands English so well here. Yeah, so we walked up and down and we couldn't find anybody who understood what we were talking about or where we were going to. We walked to and fro, we couldn't find the place. It was annoying, but your girl decided to utilize the opportunity to capture videos and pictures. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are at a place called The Point here in Dubai. You would think that it's only Nigeria that has sun. See sun, I can't even open my eyes. Hey, God of Africa. But they have really beautiful things. Hi guys, so it's been a very long afternoon. This is we're at the point in Dubai. It's cool, right? It's alright. Nice scenery. Ooh, nice. Oh my god, that's a shark. See how slowly it's moving as if it's not harmful.
Yeah, they still kill and eat. They kill them because these fishes are moving freely and they're not killing them. Can I see that one? They really nice, you know. Look at the
See
picture.
this? No, that's a swordfish.
Sword.
Yes.
This one is a catfish.
Can you see?
They just come here to display themselves for us to see.
Let me not leave myself out of the viewing time. I don't know, it's like it's really an aquarium. There's just so much fish. Okay, two. One is on top of the other one. They are so huge. I think they are sleeping. Tiny these fish are.
Tiny again.
Video. Wow. This is the Burj Khalifa. This is the city from the hiking. Oh, sorry, you're taking a photo. Sorry.
That's where you are.
We really went so high. It's affecting my ears.
Wow. Very fast. Very fast.
Hey,
Oh my
good
God,
morning
they say that
from this
it's
side.
only the ham that is collect from ATM. I don't know if it